video.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Our second video. And peace.
So we have got a guest today. Exciting! On our second video. She has already uploaded so many videos. But anyway, here she is. Move up. Move up.
Right, moving over.
Hello. That is Pheebz Lightning. Go subscribe. We warn you. Go subscribe.
Why are you warning?
Because
Can I join in?
Yeah, just go in the middle.
Plonk your butt there.
So we are going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. With some marshmallows.
Of challenges.
We've all got a piece of tissue if we spit out. So we are going to...
Whoa. Hold up. Did you just say we would spit out? No.
We've got napkins.
We
Woo!
don't spit out.
But
They
so
have
what's
napkins,
happening?
guys, but we don't spit out.
We've got some... We've got some rows. So we have to put the marshmallow in our mouth at the same time, but we can say Chubby Bunny whenever we want. So let's get started. Would you like one?
Okay, I'm going to go first.
Right, I'm just putting it out there. I'm not a big fan of marshmallows.
Neither me. I
like
find them
marshmallows.
disgusting.
Let's put it at the same
But
same
they're
time.
alright. On campfires. Do you like them on campfires?
Oh, I
Right,
know.
ready? Wait.
Do we have to put them at the same time?
Yeah.
Go.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, Chubby Bunny!
I hate marshmallows. I'm going to eat
No,
it.
you can't.
You can't eat it, you spat.
Oh.
Chubby Bunny! 2 Chubby Bunnies.
Chubby Bunnies.
Chubby Bunny.
It's good stuff.
You're not meant to eat it.
She said it. 3 Chubby
No, I
Bunnies.
102 Chubby Bunnies. That's me.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunnies. Seriously, you hold that.
4 Chubby Bunnies.
Come on, whoa.
Chubby Bunny.
More Chubby Bunnies.
Chubby Bunny. You probably have like 6 in your mouth.
Oh.
5 Chubby
Okay.
Bunnies.
Right, what?
Chubby Bunny.
6 and 9.
6
Chubby
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Man does 7 Chubby Bunnies.
Chubby Bunny.
7 Chubby Bunny.
No. I'm
8 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
8, 9. Hi, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
9 Chubby Bunny.
No!
Here's 1.
Chubby Bunny.
11! Wow. Oh.
11 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I look like a hamster.
I'm really
Can we eat them now?
I can't.
Don't you want to
That's how much I'm going to put it. That's how much
put it in there?
No, I'm going to eat them.
No.
Okay, so are we finished our challenge?
What the hell?
I suppose.
11 Chubby Bunnies, guys.
11 Chubby Bunnies. Thank you for watching our Chubby Bunny. We have really enjoyed doing this
Sorry.
challenge. It wasn't going on track.
We did
We were meant to take one each,
Each.
not 25. Anyway, thank you for watching.
11.
This is our guest, Pheebz Lightning. Please subscribe to us.
Subscribe!
Subscribe!
Subscribe! Oh. I'm bad at camera!
And bye-bye.
Thanks